Alright. Let's try trading ES. That should be pretty cool. Because I haven't really traded ES before. Okay. 2023? Should we do 2023? I think so. Let's go to October. I like October more. Alright. Just backtesting for maybe like 20-30 minutes. Just needs to move.
Yeah, Mantis.
What's up?
Would you mind using the volume profile on a couple of like trades?
Yeah, I'll show you volume profile. Slushy's
Bro.
in my feed.
I'm just confused, like where to, like, I guess you could say like click it from. Cause I watched like the videos of you using it and like, I don't know, like I don't know like where you place it.
I mean, I have to find an actual proper order block to actually
Yeah.
decide that. Just give me a second. Oh, this is DXY, no wonder why. Oops. Okay, so if you don't, I mean, I used to just use it as a tool if I was unsure on where to mark on my order blocks.
Mm.
So I would usually just do it at like a high. So if we see this cluster of highs, I don't know where an order block would want to be. I'd probably say safest. Put it in the cluster of the highs, and you see this red line right here?
Yeah.
Look what happens when we tap into it. Boom. See how precise that is?
Mm. I just don't know where to place. Like, you know how you like where you first placed it, right? You like you dragged it from, you clicked it on the right
Mm-hmm. You're cutting out.
side and then the left side.
You're cutting out badly.
I don't know like where to like the tops. Jesus, bro.
So you can see this move right here. You just mark it out in the entire area of the order block. So if there's an order block, you mark it out in the area of it.
Okay.
So order block right here. Don't know which one you see reaction off of. I just do this one. Oh wait. If you get to kind of low, it'll mess it up. But see, this isn't as precise as I want it to be. I want to find better order block examples using the volume profile. Order block, where's the other ones at? Guys, this is just small trends. I gotta find something that's more significant. I don't know why
And also, I got a question about like, you trade buy models and sell models, don't you?
Yeah, of course, I love them.
Is that? Yeah, I mean, I like them too, but like, it's for me, it's hard to find every single day. And like, do they occur every day?
Honestly, on every time frame, I'm expecting them to occur in every time frame in every sort of manner. So yeah, I think on all time frames they should occur. It's kind of like power 3, because you can see this right here, low, market structure shift, or this retracement. I actually got, what was it called? Called shorts in a live call right up here off this fair value gap. Shorts right here because of this failure swing at this high, plus rejection block being respected throughout these highs right here. Push lower, shift to market structure, but before that we had this retracement into this fair value gap. And that was kind of telling me shorts. And we pushed lower, and what do we retrace into? Order block. And continue pushing lower. I was gonna get shorts off that, but no, I think I did get shorts. Yeah, I did take shorts off that, and we came off green on the day.
Was that a breaker right there? The order block?
Mitigation block, but we're gonna call it an order
Oh,
block.
no.
You don't see a breaker? This is a breaker, but we never tap back into it. I'm gonna use our standard deviations on it real quick. I haven't done that yet. For a second, reaccumulation. So 1 to 1/5, you can expect accumulation in this range. Push lower. Second, fifth, we would push straight through it. I kind of expecting the fourth standard deviation to get nailed now. That's what I'm aiming for. That's backtest though. Usually whenever I backtest, I go through it way too quickly and it'll mess me up. Alright. I don't have my indicators either. Oh, we missed our. Okay, we missed one day. That's fine. Okay. Yeah, I just see us pushing lower, taking out those equal lows. I'm not really expecting a reaction off those. I'm expecting movement lower. So I'm just gonna keep that in mind. Hopefully we can displace these lows with our open volatility. Okay. Oh, now we're forming a buy model in a downtrend, which I would probably never take them. Shift in market structure. People could expect to retrace into our before that form discount, and we could tap into this discount inversion right here that people could have used for an entry. Okay. These guys get ran out, tap into these order blocks. I'm gonna keep these marked out, hop in the 5 minute. Okay. If we are going to start pushing up off the sweep of these equal lows, I could expect retracement up to 0.5 of this swing low to this swing high. And potentially OTE. I keep this one marked out too, because this also lines up with our breaker. So I'd say since it's Tuesday, we could get some manipulation higher. We could look for a long entry in this area just to tap into that breaker, because this is kind of my draw on liquidity right now. So just gonna wait. There we go. Tapped our unicorn. Not a unicorn. Probably is a unicorn, honestly. I'm not sure, but this is where I want to start looking for shorts. Unless we're gonna try getting into OTE, but we need a lot of confirmation. If we don't have confirmation, then no entry. Ugh, that's crazy. I mean, shorts would have worked out if we did take him off the unicorn, but there had to have been news. It didn't show up as news either, so it's ridiculous. One thing I hate about FX replay. But retrace into our unicorn, or not unicorn, retrace into this breaker, reverse, push lower. So that's what I was talking about. Okay, now we can expect way lower, not really a good retracement. I mean, this mitigation or order block, whichever one you want to call it. I tap back into, but I look at the 5 minute, no silver bullet either. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna keep mean threshold of this order block marked out. I might take shorts off of it just because of power 3, but we're gonna have to see. Okay. Let's see what we have. I mean, we're just choppy around right now. Nothing. No plays. I'm probably gonna be done for the what was it? PM session if I sell this, especially because we're in lunch. So we're gonna have to wait. I'm gonna see what we do because this is just time distortion. Price can do whatever it wants. What is this? Okay. So price can do whatever it wants during lunch, and I wouldn't really. Oh, we went straight past it. I'm still gonna go explain what happened. Okay. So coming out of lunch, at 1 we had volatility, push up higher, and we ran out these highs. Usually when we have a sweep coming straight out of lunch, and we also have 1 p.m. I used to call that 1 p.m. reversal, but post lunch we usually have a reversal of this because lunch hour is a retracement. And you can see when we enter a lunch hour, we retrace, start pushing up higher, even though we're pushing lower. Time distortion, so 12 to 1. This time is lunch. When Wall Street takes this little lunch break, price starts pushing up higher, but you can see we're getting manipulated, we're pushing lower. And instead of this one period of time, we just start pushing up higher. Coming out of it, run out these equal highs, I don't know if we tapped into any PD arrays. We did have this fair value gap, but I wouldn't count that. But coming straight off of that, we start pushing down lower, lower, lower. And do we have any entries for shorts? I mean, we did have this breaker right here that we were respecting. And if you keep this area marked out, when I see price continuously retapping into this area and shifting market structure, if we could have gotten an entry or a tap back into this, I would have shorted it. But I probably wouldn't have held limits out for that. I wouldn't have expected that to get tapped into. This inversion right here also looks pretty good. So, keeping that in mind, let's see what we have going into tomorrow. Skipped a little bit too far forward. Okay, we're fine. We have some news coming up. 39, 915. What do we have? PMI. Okay, PMI hits a 10. I don't typically trade until PMI hits. Okay, so obviously we're still trying to push lower. It's still my bias. Run up this high. We have the Judas swing, which push up higher. This is our sweep of these highs. Oh, maybe tap back into fair value gap. Perfect. Just sweep out this high. We had a turtle soup. Tested it again. Boom, we're shooting lower. Now, I kind of want to look for a play off this mitigation block, or just a tap into it. Oh, we missed it. Now we're forming a buy program, so even though we tapped it, and we could have taken shorts off here, I would be way more cautious about taking a trade. Because if you look at this, and if we are having small reversal, this could just massive power 3. So it's way better to just hold off, see what price gives you. I want this to remain as a failure swing if my bias is correct. I don't want to see, oh, no, push through. Yeah, the mitigation block would have been a good play, because we also formed this little slow model inside of it too. Okay. There we go, now we're starting to get some through. Okay. I gotta check out the higher time frames if I actually do want to take longs. Because you can see, shift in market structure, it looks like we could, we have the potential to push up higher where we're currently at. Even though I don't want a full-blown long trade, I'll be fine taking a smaller risk. Target out this time. Try putting in a new high up there. 200 risk. I mean, this is gonna be a 150k account simulation. Oh, we got stopped up. That's fine. So what could have stopped me out? I mean, we had two different market structure shifts, so I was pretty bullish. Plus a return into what was it? We already returned to a premium, and we were trading inside of a premium or a range, which should have pushed us higher. My bias is still bullish. Let's just see. Yeah, my bias was completely bullish. I'm pretty sure I just got stop punted out of that play because we did end up running the high of day after that. But let me see if there's any other entry or any other reason that we could have gone to play. I actually think price had to put in another failure swing down here and fill this imbalance, because usually when we have rebalancing of these PD arrays, oof, my jaw hurts. Usually when we rebalance these PD arrays, we just want to push up higher, and you can see once we fully filled it in, we just had to run up this low, tap into this order block, and that was it. Start pushing up higher. So I think I was a little bit too quick at the entry. Idea was right, execution was also good. It was just, I think I forgot to factor in price needed to fill up most of its imbalances. Because you can see rebalance, 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 rebalance right here. So immediate rebalance, that's pretty good. And I probably should put that in account, just because we're starting to push up higher. But what time is it right now? Okay, we're on lunch. So we're just gonna wait for a PM session trade. Here we go. Now, retracement, run up higher. Okay, now it looks like we're starting to push a little bit lower. I don't really like changing up my biases, so I'm gonna have to hold off for a bit, because 5 minute, you can see that's just accumulation. Price looks so bad. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. We're forming more of a sell side of the curve type thing. I kind of want to short this, just because it looks like a decent play to me. I haven't seen the higher time frame, so I'm kind of just popping off a run in the dark, but still. Well, I don't think we're gonna get filled. Yeah, we're definitely not gonna get filled. I'm still expecting us to reach original consolidation. Okay, now this is obviously a buy program. There's no way this limit's gonna still work. What's that? So going into the next day, I'm probably just gonna be bullish. One loss on that day. If I was able to take it slower, I probably would have been able to factor everything into one moment. But I'm trying to be as proficient as possible. Okay, is this our overall high? Because I know we have this one back here, but we could just count that as a rejection block. 5 minute. Yeah, this is literally a massive shift in market structure. Also, not really a change in state of delivery. Not 30 yet. Okay. No setups yet. I'm gonna keep this in mind because if we do run up this low, and we have this fair value gap right here, plus this mitigation block, this mitigation block right here. I'd be fine with longing it, honestly. Stop would have to be main threshold or block 1 to 3. I don't know what I'm thinking for this trade, if I'm being honest. Yeah. Hold up. What could this be? Because I know we just shifted market structure, and this is probably pretty obvious. Hold up. I already know there's going to be OT at this high. Yeah. Okay, that one was also a little bit messed up. Okay, let's just continue. These lows. I'm still pretty bearish, so I'm just gonna have to hold off a bit. Boom. Now we already tapped back into this mitigation block, so we can push through it now, or hold up. No, we're definitely bearish. Yeah, we're most definitely still bearish. Short-term retracements, but yeah, we're definitely going lower still. What news do we have throughout the week? Oh, is that why? Could just be an FOMC week, I'm not sure. Okay, I gotta watch this pretty closely. Okay, tap back into this inversion. Now I want to see lower prices down to this low. There we go. There we go. Perfect. Okay, so yeah, I think ES's price action looks really clean. I haven't really traded ES in a long time, but price action looks extremely clean for it.
Yo, Mantis, can't that be 3 drives above?
Yeah, this right. I mean, and this.
Yeah, those 3 right there.
Nah, that's not 3
For
drives.
now.
I'll find another example of 3 drives.
Alright.
I want to try short. No, wait, what time is it? 11:10. Never mind. Even though it'll probably stop me out, I still want to mess around with it. I'll have to wait towards after lunch because you can see that we already formed a buy model right here. Fill this fair value gap. So this is going to get pretty interesting. Since we're in a buy model, I'm going to look for the low risk buy right here up this. So longs right here. I also have to look for the breaker in between. But I don't know if I'm going to take the trade off the unicorn. I'll just move my limits to wherever it's at. I'm only expecting a short-term retracement because you could also have a draw on liquidity as you could also have it as your equilibrium. Yeah, if we're gonna get messed up. Hold up. I'm gonna keep this dragged out just as an example because I think I'm really getting messed up with my stops, and I don't think that was exactly to where I wanted to put it. But let's see. Let's do this swing high. Oh. Okay, never mind. Yeah, I put that take profit way too high. It should have been right here on our equilibrium. My stop was way too tight for that trade though. Okay, now we're back in a sell model and we're in the PM session. So all this liquidity up here plus fair value gap, I think it's pretty obvious what is probably going to happen, plus a shift in market structure. And if I have tighter stops, better targets. Okay, yeah. Oh, I think we missed the entry by a little bit. That's fine. Yeah. We missed our entry. Alright. Is this power 3? Looks kinda like power 3 if I'm being honest with you. Okay. Right. No, I'm expecting this high to get taken. I think I'd be done. Yeah, it's already done for the day. And let's go to Friday. What is this? Jeez. Oh, it was a non-farm week. Okay. Hold up. Oh yeah, how's everyone's nights been? Or how's everyone's night? Where the ass at?
What?
Good, man.
Good. That's good.
Wait, so do you just trade market maker models?
Not entirely. I trade a lot of things. I suck at backtesting though. Even though I'm trying to get better, literally I can't backtest properly. I was bad.
Real shit, bro. I can't back this for shit. but, like,
Exactly.
once a minute.
Look at all my trading videos, I do fine. But all my backtesting videos and all my lives for backtesting, I get whooped in every single one. They're straight losses.
I don't know why, but like, yeah, I suck ass too.
I know, I'm a good trader, but slowly I cannot backtest. I think I just pushed through it way too fast because it's like 7 1-minute candles in less than a minute. Because you have to look into the details. How do you?
I don't know. I find my DOL, my drawn liquidity on backtesting like really ass. Like it never really works out.
Really? I think I'm pretty good at that. Just the drawn liquidity. I think it's just the entries and the stop losses. Because in real time, I'm able to identify type of PDRs I want to enter off of. If I open it up, I can show you my live X. Get rid of this. Oh yeah, you can see sell model here. I wish I could find better entries or some other stuff.
What'd you take on Friday?
Friday? Let me check. Oh, oops. I think it was this one.
I can't look at the charts all the time, but I can look at the charts throughout the day.
Okay, yeah, it was this one short up here. Oh, it was just a unicorn. Okay, so yeah, this one was a unicorn.
Yeah.
What else should I look out for? I don't know, I'm trying to trying to look more to the volume profile for order blocks. As you can see, this thing is really precise, wherever you use it.
I see. You learned from fearing. Does he use it?
No, he doesn't. I only got Fearing's mentorship because I liked his server, and because he joined my server. So it was a respect thing.
Stuff in there. A lot of stuff in there.
Oh yeah.
Like, you see the notes drops? I had a friend who was in it, but
I'm not gonna lie, I didn't even use any of it. I didn't look into it at all.
Oh yeah, I mean he does the one-on-ones and shit.
Yeah.
Pretty ass.
Oh yeah, I did have one of them with him. I just talked to him because I wanted to help him expand his marketing. I wanted to get him some more people in the server.
Oh yeah.
But,
I think he's a great trader.
oh yeah, he's an amazing trader. He uses standard deviations a ton.
Wait, so you took that short? You only took that short on Friday?
Yeah. I wanted to take shorts. I could upload the live trading view. I wanted to take shorts off the failure swing plus rejection block right here.
Yeah.
I think this get respected, and what was it? We started pushing lower. I already was like, alright, we should short this for value gap right here. Push lower. This is my second confirmation right here. This mitigation block or order block. We should short this plus for value gap. And we could have had stop and mean threshold the order block. So the short would have looked something like threshold order block. What was it? Could have been this right here.
What was your higher time frame confirmation that we were gonna flip bias there?
I have no clue. I don't remember, but I didn't check. Okay. I mean, I think it's just power of 3 plus a retracement. Usually we have an expansion. Was it Friday?
Yeah, because I mean we were also taking out all-time highs plus if you take the FOMC swing, like the manipulation lower from I think it was Wednesday, it lined up with the 2 deviation.
I'm not even gonna lie. I was expecting Friday to retrace because of TGIF. I never even fully learned that setup. It was just TGIF. I was expecting a retracement more into the weekly range. That's exactly what we got. I really want to see this logo taken and closed below, and we did get that. But it could have also just been a massive power of 3 if you look at it this way.
Yeah.
Oh, we didn't distribute enough. Did we even retrace it to a full discount or premium? Oh yeah, we did. Okay.
Yeah, we did. I actually longed back up to discount.
Oh, you longed back
I mean,
up to discount?
yeah. I mean, I longed back up to premium, man.
That's good. What do you trade on? You platforms?
Yeah, I'll just show you mine. Did you get those Top Step X accounts like these
No, I
ones?
don't use TopStep X. That's cool though.
Oh yeah, dude, they're
Wait, can you
they're
copy
kind of
trade
cool.
on TopStep X?
Sorry?
Can you copy trade on TopStep X?
Oh yeah, you can. Look, so you can just copy on all of
Oh, bro, can I still get it?
them. Were you invited?
No, I was trading in XFA at the time.
Oh yeah.
You can't get
Uh,
TopStep X anymore.
I think you can until March 1st. I think because I got the email for I was invited because I did some bell to bell shit. And I was just looking to do it because my XFA was in pretty heavy drawdown. I'm looking to pass all these. You got it. Try it. The code's like February 450.
Wait, did you just redeem it? Where do you redeem the code at?
Um,
Oh.
it's like only the 50Ks, and then you do that, and then the promo code is like February I don't even know how to spell it. 450, something like that.
I think they already took away our codes. Wait, can you buy it with like full price? Cause I'll buy TopStep X full price. I'll be fine with that.
Oh yeah, you don't like. They only allowed you to buy 5 accounts at $4.50 back. But I'm pretty sure you can buy it now at $50.
I've been needing a copy trader because what was it? You
How
can't
many
copy
X's
trade
do you
through
have?
TradingView. I was copy
Oh.
trading 300Ks back then, and I had to go place it through TradeAway.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I was giving the signal. Okay, I was giving the signal through the Discords. I was signaling in the Discords, trying to place it on TradingView, and I was also trying to put it through the copy trader. Place like 2 orders to TradeAway.
I like it besides the order placing. So like you can't really like let's say it's not like TradingView where you can just right click and then click limit order, right? It's this one you can't even do that. You literally have to like let's say limit sell right there and limit stop buy.
Oh, you can't create an order?
I mean you can over here, but like I just like do it like this. I just right click in this.
Yeah, I see what you mean. Yeah, I usually right click and I just click on what was it? Oh yeah, create new order, and I just type in take profit stop loss and just put that in and drag it. Can you drag it? Like, can you manage your orders?
What do you mean? Like take out partials?
No, I mean like drag your stop loss and take profit on the chart.
Oh yeah.
Okay,
You can
good.
you can drag the.
Perfect.
It's just like TradingView. They're using
Yeah,
TradingView
it literally
charts.
looks like TradingView.
Yeah.
Hi, babies.
Uh
So-
oh.
You guys trade the fractals?
No.
Nah.
Oh, hey,
Why not?
Gavin, how do you feel about fractals?
Oh no, I saw Bonka like promoting it, but I don't know about it. I don't. I'm not a fan of it.
What about
really
you,
tried.
Munzie? How do you feel about fractals?
Me?
Yeah.
I use them.
Are they doing you well? Are you doing good for fractals?
Oh, hell yeah.
Hey, that's good. Let's see this. Show me your fractals.
Hold up, I need to log in.
Wait, so like who made them? Is it like by Printer Paradise?
No, some dude named, I don't know, every single time, it's some guy that's, what was it? 1K subscriber. It's someone's name. I can't remember his name. It was just they say some random guy's name every single time. I hate
Wait,
how-
the fractal is offline right now because they're fixing it.
Oh. How do you feel about how they explain the fractals? The geometric figure that is infinite repeatable, just the nature fractals are present in the stock market. Chaotic data being the market, repeating it and organizing it in repeatable signals, giving investors a more simplified way of determining oversold. What?
It works for me.
Okay, it's what was it? Russell. It's Russell. That's the guy who made the fractals.
Yep.
Yeah. What does it really tell you? Like, what does the fractals?
I used to
tell
trade
you?
it, and I'm not gonna lie. The person that taught me, it was one of the old server owners. He sucked at it, so I never really got onto it.
Oh, yeah. I don't know. I just like sticking with just the charts.
Exactly. I mean, Fearing says if you can't, what was it?
Trade like the
It-
order flow
No,
shit.
no, no. If you have to use fractals, you're not good at ICT, or if you have to use both, you're not good at one. I think that's what he said, right?
Yo,
Yo.
Mantis was good.
What's up? How you doing,
Hey,
bro?
hey, is there any market open I can like practice paper trading in right now?
Oh, that's a good question. I mean, you could just trade Bitcoin, but I'd really recommend waiting for Monday. So, you could trade London. Trade London with Valid, tomorrow at like 3 a.m.
Is Bit